Hello guys, welcome all of you back with our web application development discussion series. Today we are going to talk about how we can design our selling history web page. Here we have our selling history web page. First we have inserted the label as selling history, and then we have inserted our search area here, and we have given two options as search invoice by ID, and then we have given the second option as search using a time duration. After that, in here we have inserted a find button, and then we have inserted invoice ID, product title, buyer's name, payment amount, and the bought quantity as labels. Then after that, here we have inserted our invoice ID, then the product title, the buyer's name, and the price for that product, quantity of that bought product, and then in here we have inserted a button to confirm this order. So we can click on this button and confirm our order. So let's go into our code and see how we have designed this. Here we have our selling history.php file. First we have inserted a PHP script in here. We have started the session from here. Then we have imported our connection.php file into this selling history.php file. Then we have checked whether this admin is logged into web page or not. If the admin is logged into our website, then the design will be displayed. In the design part, here we have inserted our HTML version tag, then HTML opening tag. Within the HTML opening and HTML closing tag, we have inserted our head part and body part. Within the head part, we have inserted Bootstrap meta tags, then the title of our web page, and we have linked our style sheets in here. We have linked bootstrap.css file, bootstrap icon.css file, style.css file with our selling history.php file. After that, from here we have changed our web page icon into logo.svg icon. In our body area, first we have inserted the style tag and we have changed background color and background image. Then here we have our container div. Within the container div, here we have inserted our label as selling history. Then here we have our search area. Within the search area, first we have inserted the search area to search by invoice ID, and we have inserted the input field and we have given its type as text. Then in here we have inserted our from date part, and then here we have our to date part. Within the from date, here we have our input field and we have given its type as text. Within our to date part, we have given the input field and we have also given its type as text. Then here we have our find button. After that search part, here we have our next labels and we have given invoice ID, product, buyer, amount, and quantity as the label of this part. After them, in here we have inserted our first bought product details and we have given its invoice ID here, title of that product here, buyer's name, and the price for that, quantity of that, and then in here we have inserted the button to confirm this order. After that, in here we have inserted the details about our second product, and then in here we have inserted the details about our third bought product. After that, in here we have our script tag. We have linked our bootstrap.bundle.js file and script.js file with this selling history.php file. After that, in here we have closed our body opening tag and HTML opening tag. If the admin is not logged into our web page, then in here we have displayed the alert as you are not a valid user. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks all of you for joining with me. See you in the next video.